Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to show you a level that I think is pretty key on BJ Wholesale Club Holdings. Now, this is evidently in the discount store sector, and I think that this level at around 71.30-ish, 71.33 is pretty important. And if I zoom out, you can see why. Because back here in November, BJ had a big move up on higher than average volume and then kind of fell back into the moving averages. Ever since this day here, it's been unable to get back above that clear 71.30 zone. Tried. Over and over. Can't do it. And so I think it's worth having an alert on BJ at around 71.30 and take a look at it. Now, you could potentially start a small starter position right here as it hangs around the 8 and the 21-day exponential period moving averages. In that case, you'd probably want to have a stop right around that 66 level. So you're small, but you have a wide stop and you're sitting through the gyration, sitting through the consolidation, and then adding with a move through and a close above this clear level coming on higher than average volume. So I think it makes sense to have an alert right around that level. And keep in mind, they do have earnings coming up on the 18th. So if you're starting a small position and it doesn't break out, I'd probably want to end up selling that position because I don't know about you, but I don't like to hold anything in earnings unless I have like a good 20% cushion or anything like that. So that would be my thought here on BJ. I think it's worth keeping an eye on as it's still in a decent uptrend and near some key moving averages. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.